SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. Instantly cool and dehumidify your 450 square foot room. You're looking at the SereneLife Small Air Conditioner Portable 10,000 BTU with built-in dehumidifier. A true 3-in-1 powerhouse that cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air in rooms up to 450 square feet. This compact unit rolls effortlessly on smooth wheels, sets up in minutes with the included window kit, and runs on a simple plug-in operation. No permanent installation, no drilling, no hassle. You get powerful 10,000 BTU cooling, effective moisture removal that eliminates that sticky feeling, plus a quiet fan mode with automatic swinging vents for even air distribution. Control everything from the digital panel or the full-function remote. Temperature, timer, sleep mode, fan speed, all designed to deliver instant comfort exactly where and when you need it most. You gain 5 decisive advantages with the SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable AC. First, rapid cooling that drops room temperature fast and maintains it effortlessly, even on the hottest days. Second, built-in dehumidification that removes excess moisture, leaving the air crisp and comfortable instead of heavy and damp. Third, true room-to-room mobility. 4 smooth rolling casters and side handles let you wheel it wherever heat strikes next. Fourth, whisper-quiet operation at just 55 to 57 decibels, plus sleep mode that gradually raises temperature and lowers fan speed so you sleep undisturbed. Fifth, complete convenience with remote control, 24-hour timer, washable double-layer filter, and auto-evaporation system that minimizes manual draining. Every feature works together to give you cooler, drier, fresher air exactly on your terms, without the expense or commitment of permanent systems. Imagine walking into your sweltering 350 square foot bedroom after a 95-degree day. Air thick, sheets damp, sleep impossible. Now picture this. You roll in your SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable AC, snap the window kit in place, hit the remote, and within 20 to 30 minutes, the room drops to a perfect 72 degrees with zero sticky humidity. You fall asleep to the gentle hum on sleep mode and wake up refreshed, not drenched. Or take your sun-baked home office. Before, you're sweaty, unfocused, productivity dead. After wheeling in the SereneLife unit and setting the timer to pre-cool, you sit down to crisp, dry air that keeps you sharp and comfortable all day. Thousands of apartment dwellers, home office workers, and hot sleepers already made the switch and transformed miserable rooms into cool, dry sanctuaries overnight. Unlike window units that demand permanent installation and block your view, or expensive dual-hose portables that cost hundreds more, the SereneLife 10,000 BTU delivers superior real-world performance at a fraction of the price. Independent tests and verified users confirm it cools 400 to 450 square foot rooms dramatically faster than comparably priced competitors, with one HVAC reviewer stating it achieved comfortable temperatures in a 400 square foot test room in 30 to 45 minutes and outperformed expectations for the price point. Apartment renters praise the 10-minute setup and lease-friendly design. Home office users love the pre-cooling timer that saves energy yet delivers instant comfort on arrival. Long-term owners report 3 summers of daily use with 0 breakdowns, perfectly functioning wheels, and responsive controls. While cheaper single-hose units struggle and premium brands overcharge, SereneLife gives you proven 10,000 BTU cooling, effective dehumidification, quieter operation, and full mobility, all backed by thousands of 5-star reviews calling it the best value portable AC I've ever owned. Order your SereneLife 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with built-in dehumidifier right now and lock in the lowest price available plus fast shipping.
With summer heat already here and stock moving fast, this is the moment to secure cool, dry comfort for your bedroom or office before the next heat wave hits. Click the button, add to cart, and transform any room into your personal cool zone in minutes. You'll feel the difference the very first night. Don't wait until you're miserable. Act now and stay perfectly comfortable all summer long.